Okay, this is Air Compressor video 2. I'm going to do a run test for you today. The only thing I've changed since last time is I had some jam bolts rigged up to tighten the belt. I cut all that out and just put a turnbuckle with custom-made heavy-duty hinges here. Next model will be a belt guard. But we're sitting at 98.5 psi. I'll turn it on, it'll run up to about 108. Start cycle. It's got a preload on it. Gauge over here. It's not super loud. If I had a door on there, it'd be actually pretty quiet. Custom solenoid unloader. Here's our hose reels. Top one's air for the shop, tools, blow down. Bottom one's plasma cutter supply. That's pretty much all for now.